Here again, the Turtles.
Morning, morning glory. If you'd like to know where was I last night, well, I saw a girl with a boy in her eye. She's so out of sight, and she's my girl, and that's who it was last night. Hope in a dream. She's my girl. I took her away last night. Up in the sky, that's where I was last night. I just come back to tell you there's a little bit of heaven underneath the apple tree. And every time I see you with that smile upon your face, there's a little bit there for me. And she's my girl, and that's who it was last night. She's my girl, took her away last night. My girl, and that's who it was last night. Yeah, it's she's my girl, I took her away last night. Open the sky, my girl, and that's who it was last night. Yeah, it's up in the sky, that's where I was last night. My girl, I took her away last night. My girl, and that's who it was last night. My girl, I took her away last
In a moment, the Supremes and more Motown Gold.
The Supremes. So let's hear it.
There's a place for us somewhere, a place for us, peace and quiet and open air. Wait for us somewhere. There's a time for us someday, a time for us, time together with time to spare, time
mighty, mighty fine. Really fine.
Thank you very much.
No shade. I was watching the monitors here in color. The shade comes over just beautifully.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Thank you for being on our show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very, very much. Here's the blazing hot band of my uncle Count Basie. So let's hear it. And now, teaming up with Count Basie, here in an exciting medley, Tony Bennett, the #1 singer of the country. Thank you.
Grab your coat, get your hat, leave your worries on the doorstep. Just direct your feet to the sunny side of the street. Can't you hear the pitter-pat? And that happy tune is your step. Life can be complete on the sunny side of the street. I used to walk in the shade with all those blues on parade. But I'm not afraid, 'cause this rover crossed over. And if I never had a cent, I'd be rich as Harry Belafonte, with Barry Goldwater right at my feet. On the sunny side of the street. I left my heart in San Francisco, high on a hill. It calls to me to be where little cable cars climb halfway to the stars. The morning fog may chill the air. I don't care, my love waits there. In San Francisco, above the blue and windy sea, when I come home to you, San Francisco, your golden sun will shine, 'cause I want to be around. See how it does it. Thank you. When he breaks your heart to bits. Come on, let's see if that puzzle fits so fine. And that's when I'll discover that revenge is sweet, as I sit there applauding from a front row seat. When somebody breaks your heart like you broke mine. When I come home to you, San Francisco, your golden sun will shine for me.
Frank Sinatra was talking to us out on the coast and telling Sylvia the greatest thing around is you. The audience, I think, is going to go along with that. Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you. Now remember now, when I introduce them, you're going to make a lot of noise, and you're going to be quiet so the country can enjoy them too. Here, Jerry and the Pacemakers.
1, 2, 3, 4. Don't let the sun catch you crying. The night's the time for all your tears. Your heart may be broken tonight, But tomorrow in the morning light, don't let the sun catch you crying. The nighttime shadows disappear, and with them go all your tears. For the morning will bring joy for every girl and boy. So don't let the sun catch you crying. We know that crying's not a bad thing, but stop your crying when the birds sing. It may be hard to discover that you've been left for another, but don't forget that love's a game, and it can always come again. Oh, don't let the sun catch you crying. Don't let the sun catch you crying, oh no, whoa, whoa.